I was just going to film you for a bit if that was all right, because that's you're the furthest copy I've ever had up in Ipswich.
That's all right, mate.
That's I really am quite amazed by that. I'm using a little Maxcom 20E, if they ring any bells, and I have got a little burner on, a little KL203, with a little fan on the top to keep it cool. So I don't think I'm doing any more than, I might be pushing 50-60 watts if I'm lucky, but I am bang on the seafront and it's a lovely day, so that's probably helping. I've probably got line of sight to you as well, actually.
Yeah, you probably, yeah. Can get along that coast quite well. Yeah, well this Superstar pushes out about 38, 40 watts standard.
Oh, it's a sideband rig, isn't it, anyway?
Oh yeah, it's all the bells and whistles, but I really don't know a lot about it. It's just a KNX trucker, and you know, I do like to sit on and listen to different things.
Roger, Roger. Yeah, and what did you say your antenna was again? Sorry.
It's a Game Master.
Yeah, they seem to be very popular, the old Game Masters. What are they? They're about. Are they the ones that are 27 foot, or am I thinking of another one?
No, you're about. Yeah, I think they may be a bit higher than that. Oh dear, I have frights every time I go out in the wind because it's stubbling up. It's a fiberglass casing with a wire that runs from top to bottom with a choke at the bottom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks a bit like an Antron 99, is it? A white one?
Very similar, and not a bad tweak, that one.
Well, you're making the journey, mate. You're a good £5, but you're only about sorry, Radio 5, but you're only about £1 to £2. But then you are in Ipswich and I'm in Whitstable, so that figures really.
Yeah, well, what I'm doing, I'm obviously coming across the old sea there. We normally have a lad on. He's down in Harwich. Well, he can normally get the Kent coast quite well.
Okay, is Harwich, is that on the south end part, is it, Harwich?
Yeah, that's up further. If you go up round the coast, you come to Harwich, and if you look across the estuary, you can bump into Felixstowe.
Right, gotcha, yes, I know where you are. Yeah, I'm just looking out across the water, and the Isle of Sheppey, which is closest to me, is absolutely crystal clear, but I can see the South End and Essex coastline in the distance, so yeah, that's got to be helping.
Yeah, you've got quite a few breakers in South End on the 19. Sometimes when I've been listening in, they're normally pretty good and pretty loud.
Yeah, I think everyone's running non, you know, they're running HF gear or whatever you want to call it, so 6900s and 9900s, but they run them on the CB bands, don't they?
Yeah, for sure on that, mate. Yeah.
And of course they come with a little bit more oomph than a normal rig. I'm only chucking about 3 watts into this amplifier, so you know, it's only a UK 40 rig I'm using.
Well, I bought myself a little bit of power last year, never had it, because I always was under the impression, especially when I was on the road, it's all right, you know, slinging out sort of, you know, 200, 300 watts, but the person that you can get here, if they haven't got the same, they can't get back.
No, isn't there a saying, if you can't hear them, you can't work them?
Well, this is true, but I bought this little set, 100 watts. I don't use it on here unless I push the power right the way down, otherwise it'll blow it up. But on a couple of the other little sets I've got a little Moonraker. It works quite well.
Yeah, yeah, power's not everything, is it? It's, you know, as long as you've got a good working antenna, I think, is the main thing, and then if you want a little bit more oomph, then go for power after.